One and all present here. This is Surya, working as an assistant professor in Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about building the requirement model in software engineering. You know what is a building requirement model, right? For example, if an engineering are connecting a building, he needs what are the different requirement. For example, cement, mud, sand, steels, and what are the things, pink bricks, requirements, all the requirements from starting to end. He need to analyze what are the things he needed. Here in software engineering, building requirements model, what are the things we need, can go along with that. Here requirement process have a documentation, analyzing, validating requirement before developing. We need to get the document, we need to analyze what is that, we need to validate that, and what are the requirements needed for the development, okay, and understand what is the stakeholder needs, what the user needs. We need to gather more information from the users, reduce more errors, and also the scope creep while preparing the software. Types of software requirement: we need functional requirement, non-functional requirement, business requirement, user requirement, and system requirement. Functional requirement, we go along with the system, what we need. Non-functional requirement, what the system should behave, how should it behave, we need that. Business requirement, what the organizational goal they need from the user side. User requirement, user interaction, user needs, we need to upload in the software. System requirement, what are the technical specification has been added, what is the technical needs we need to gather. Requirement engineering process, allocation is there, specification, validation, verification, management, and analysis. Allocation, gathering the requirement from the user side, analyzing feasibility and prioritization from the user side, and we need to analyze that. Specification, what are the system requirement, structure requirements, everything. Validation and verification, to inquire all the details with the analyzing, we need to validate how it is possible, at which time we can complete it, and correct what are the things has been wrong, how we can rectify it, all the things under the validation and verification. Management, tracking each and every management things, what happens in the life cycle, what are the key features we have added, what are the feedbacks has been gathered, and how we can rectify it. Requirement model techniques, use case modeling, data flow and entity relationship, state transaction, and class transaction. Use case modeling, interaction between the user and the system. Component that acts between that is user case and system boundary. For example, we can go along with the e-commerce platforms or website for the login process. Data flow diagram, data movements with the system, level 0 to level till we end submission. Example, online ticket booking system. Entity relationship, we go along with the database structures with the relationship. It needs attributes, relationship, entities. For example, library management. In library management, we can go along with the employee ID, employee name, and year, and ISB number to find out, author name, author ISB number to gather the information. State transaction diagram. Here we can go along with the ATM transaction. We need to get a card, we insert the card, we need to give the PIN entered, transaction will be done, card eject or card rejection will be done there, right? Visually we can gather these things. Class diagram, it goes along with the object oriented system and class, attribute, methods, and relationship. And online shopping is a good example for class diagram. Requirement validation, we need to review, walk through that, and we need to prototype everything. Testing is there. Importance of requirement management, scope creep, maintain consistency, and traceability should be there each and every one. Challenges, what the stakeholder needs. That is the main challenge here. Miscommunication between the teams should be reduced. Managing complex systems should be get challenges. Case study. Use this case study on online banking system and state the diagram for using that and reduce the development errors. Conclusion, requirement model is a crucial software development. The user needs is very important. User satisfaction is very important in the project success. Thank you all.